Back to the ball game. Start off the third quarter. Start off the second half.
So we're back in the third quarter. Salingay, short on this layup. So again, story of the first half is Edison Macwa, who had 15 points in the first half. Libres slows it down.
10-second shot clock. Joel Lagare.
.13 lead now.
Ten-second shot clock.
Goodness reverse. Wala. Pero foul ni Konkon.
First personal foul, Konkon. First team foul. Out of bounds, Unido's ball.
Garcia
15-second shot clock.
to Elicano. Macwa in the corner. And yet it's another foul.
Foul on jersey number
You know, very slow-paced game good.
First personal foul.
Wala kayo tayo makita nga fast breaks. Besides, wala kayo tayo makita nga fast breaks kung ang lineup kay kaning starting five. Kaya mga veterano na ganina, fast break tong time nga sud ilang mga bench. Yung mga bata-bata pa. Mga maayo pagtuhod. Dagan-dagan pa. Kaya yung mga veterano, pahiluna ang ilang duwa. This is a tactical battle for both of these teams. Libres stops and hits a tough jumper over Konkon. 11 na lang, 11 lagi. 11 na lang. 8 minutes left. Goodness, open three. Yes!
Lendon Goodness for three.
I think Lagare has to step up a little bit to gamay, no? To challenge the shot. Scouting report. Goodness is a very good three-point shooter. Pero murag nabawi ra pod. After Salingay hit at 3. Unsig hapon. Here's Macwa, the hero in the first half. Step back 3 to the corner and yes, it's good. 4 3-pointer now for Edison Macwa, 18 points. He's the main man for Unido right now. Kaso lang, he gets caught in a mismatch down low versus Lagare. So maugin niyang kumbaga dapat gud i-capitalize pud sa Mabini. The size of Lagare kay one-on-one, basically, he's the tallest of all the players here. So he can easily shoot over. Acosta spins, Acosta double fake, Acosta off the glass and good. Acosta with a steal on Macwa. Acosta, another pull-up jumper. But he misses. And he taps his good friend Jay Garcia on the chest after that duty foul. Kung wato foul fast break na pod, fast break. Fast break for Unido. No, that's why I said good friends kay kani si Garcia ug si Acosta.
JR Garcia.
Kauban ni sila tigduwa sa mga commercial leagues here in Bohol. As Garcia drives and scores there. But Vallecera answers right back. It's a 14-point lead again. No, 12-point lead.
Edison Macua.
Pero makascore man kitang Unido back to a 14-point lead na pod. Macua now has 20 points. Libres, what a move there.
J. Libre.
Ankle breaker. Si Concon. What a fake and then jab step going to the baseline. Wa gimabuhat si Concon na to. Easy drive. This is Macua again. They keep finding the hot man.
10-second shot clock.
Garcia to Danyo. This is Goodest. Another three. But he misses that time.
Out of bounds, Mabini's ball.
Acosta. Short jumper is good.
Winston Acosta.
10-point lead na lang. Mga higala.
Timeout, Unido.
62 to 52.
5 minutes and 36 seconds remaining time for the third quarter. Official score, Mabini 52, Unido 62.
Napuo na lang. Kanina 15 man to. And now Mabini only needs 5 minutes and 36 seconds left. And then what have they been doing, no? Sila na po yung nibaw sa fast break ganina. Kung ma-turnover ang Unido, makascore gid sila
Back to the ball game with 5
of
minutes,
the fast break.
36 seconds
Pero karon, no?
for the third quarter.
Ibawi ang Mabini, led by Acosta. He already has, I think, 6 points in the quarter. The veteran savvy of Winston John Acosta, a known commercial player here in the province of Bohol. Gudez, fakes on Lagare. Gudez, walang kapasahan to Garcia.
Shot clock.
But a steal by Acosta. This Vallecera. Off the glass
Vallecera.
and in. Down to single digits, mga kaibigan. Ooh! And
Out of
a
bounds.
sorry, turnover
Mabini's ball.
for Unido.
Substitution.
Slowly,
Gabison for Concon.
slowly losing composure na diri, mga higala, ang Unido. Vallecera tries to break down Garcia. Spins. Vallecera, but stolen by Macua. And the easy 2 points here by Danyo. Back to a 10-point lead.
Danyo.
Nice defense there, no, by Unido. Sumurag na sobraan nag-dribble si Vallecera. Nice crowd and double team. Then forced turnover.
Foul. Foul on jersey number 24, Edison Macua. Second personal foul. 3 team fouls.
So again, this is the battle for third of the seniors division in the Governor's Cup 2023.
10-second shot clock.
This game is brought to you by the provincial government of Bohol and Governor Aris Aumentado. Atong i-shoutout po do ang mga taga-Talibon, mga Talibong nons nga nananaw karon sa gawas. Nga wala kasod sa cultural, kaya puno ay sold out ang ticket, pero they have here an LED wall. Nga diri sila nag-watch party. Live streaming here just outside the Cultural Center CPG Gym of Talibon. Shout out sa tanang Talibong nun nga nananaw diha sa gawas karon. So as we were announcing that, 2 jumpers by Mabini. Down to a 6-point lead
10
na lang.
second shot clock.
Grabe. Foul.
Foul.
Ito sa foul.
Foul on jersey number 17, Joel Lagare. First personal foul. 3 team fouls.
Oh, sorry. Uy, Makwa
Edison
with an
Makwa.
acrobatic layup. He has been the best player so far in today's ball game. Salingay challenges
Francis Salingay.
and puts it up over Gabison. 7-point lead for Unido. Makwa open again. They keep leaving him open, but he misses that time. Balisera wants to fast break. Here's Acosta. Drives on his friend Garcia and Acosta.
Winston Acosta.
Carrying his team of Mabini to down 5. 5 na lang. So now, we acknowledge the arrival of
Edison Makwa.
Tagbilaran City Mayor Jane Yap, and is the chief of staff and first gentleman, Mr. Baba Yap. So welcome here sa Talibon.
Lindon
As good as
3.
hits another booming triple from the 3-point land.
Timeout, Mabini. 2 minutes and 8
It's
seconds.
back to a
Official
10-point
score.
lead for
Mabini 62.
Unido.
72.
2 minutes and 8 seconds left.
Back to the ball game with 2 minutes and 8 seconds.
So we're back, mga higala. Balik sana po ang labaw. Sabi ng Unido, human ka tong 3 ni Gudez.
2 minutes.
Uy, raya mo, 3 ni Gudez.
Foul. Foul on jersey number 7, Lyndon Goodis. First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Hotohot. Baseline jumper. Uy, patay ang buteke. Wahing. Wala. Gudez to Makwa. The hero of today's ball game with a drop pass. Ooh, what a play.
Compania.
Very unselfish there of Makwa, no? Bisang nanginit siya, what a drop.
Out of bounds. Mabini's ball. 13 seconds. Shot clock.
1 minute and 28 seconds left. Wahing spins, fadeaway jumper. Noah. Libres, offensive board, and is fouled.
Foul on jersey number 27, Michael Daniel. 2 free throws for Libres. First personal foul. Unido on penalty.
Libres. Oh,
MJ Libre.
So, back to the ball game, no? And Libres missed those 2 free throws pero he got the putback.
1 minute.
So, maorang storya ha. 2 puntos gihapon pero labaw gyud na po ang Unido.
Foul.
Danyo with a putback.
Foul on jersey number 6. Salingay. 2 free throws for Daniel. First personal foul, Salingay. Warning for penalty.
Danyo missed both. Chance for Mabini
45
to inch closer into this ball game. Vallecera bumps
Jake Vallecera.
and drains the jumper. Good bump there by Vallecera, no?
30 seconds.
To shield off his defender and rise up for that beautiful mid-range jumper. 8 na lang balik
Second shot clock.
ang labaw. Kompanya kicks it out to Gudes.
5 seconds
Fakes
to shoot.
and drives
Lindon
and
Gutierrez.
scores off the baseline.
10 seconds.
Vallecera tohot-tohot to Libres, wants to drive.
5 seconds.
What a beautiful
Libres.
jelly layup. And nice interception there by Wahing as we end our third
And on the
quarter.
third quarter with our official score,
8 na lang ang giapas.
Mabini 68, Unido 76.
8 na lang.